We'll guide you through how to download Photoshop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Photoshop is arguably one of the best photo editing or graphic design tools out there. So we'll guide you through how you can download and install it on your computer, as it is a really good app to have. To go and get started, you need to go and open up a web browser of your choice. In this case, I'll use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. What we then need to do is go and type in Adobe Photoshop, like so. And you want to come to the official site, which is adobe.com. Here we are. Now, what we can do is we can go and get Photoshop. So as you can see, here it is. There's a free trial available, or you can press save today and we can go and subscribe to it. As you can see, here is Photoshop. We can click buy now and subscribe. You do have to pay every month for Photoshop. Once you've purchased and subscribed, or if you already are subscribed like me, then go to the top right and you can make sure you're signed in. I just went and did. And what you can then do is press manage account. When this page loads, come to the overview, and what you can do is find the option access your apps and services. Now we can go and find Photoshop in these apps here. You can see it's in the top left, and what you can do is go and press install like so. It'll go and say waiting, be patient, and you can go and see the progress there as well. You can see mine's currently at 3%. When it's finished, it'll go and say open in desktop. So I'll go and click there like so. Photoshop is now opened up. If I come out of my web browser, we now go and have it here. To get started, you can press file in the top left, press new, and we can go and create a project.